Welcome everybody to Ottawa Valley Vintage Motorcycles. Today we're going to be working on this 2020 Ducati Scrambler Cafe Racer. We got this nice EvoTech oil cooler guard from Motovan. They sent me this nice little sticker for it. I'm going to take that sticker and I think I'm just going to put it right here on my toolbox. Thank you, Motivation. There we go. Thank you very much. Now, stay with me. We put one on this Urban Motard and it looks quite nice. Nice and finished. You can see how they look stock. Not quite as finished looking. We're going to put that on there. It's going to look a little nicer. So stay tuned. We'll get this baby put on. Okay, so to start with, we're just going to put these little foam stickers on here. Just to add a little bit of protection so it's not rubbing against the oil cooler. So we'll get those peeled off and stuck on there and ready to go. Okay, so we got that one on there pretty good. Just peel and stick, not too hard to put on. Now we'll put the other one on. There we go. Get the other one on there. Looks good. Now for the final one. So for this one, instead of applying it to here, and then you have the adhesive sticking through the honeycomb, it's just going to collect dirt and grab. What we're going to do is we're going to actually flip it around this way and stick that to the oil cooler itself. And then when it touches here, there's no glue going out to the outside of the honeycomb. So we'll just clean off that area on the oil cooler and stick that on. All right, so it's going to go right here like that. So we're just going to clean this surface off with a little bit of alcohol, and we'll stick that right on there like that. And then we're going to remove this panel here. It's not too hard to do. A couple of bolts, and then this just slips down over it. Pretty easy install. There's actually no screws or anything. You just kind of torque it on, and it's kind of spring loaded, and it stays right in place. So let's get this cleaned up, pull that off, and we'll get this mounted. Okay, I just put a little alcohol on there and cleaned it up. So let that dry for a minute, and we'll start to unbolt this and take this off. We'll just pull these off. Give us a little space for the to put the take this cover off, and we'll try and put that on. The Ducati likes to use a lot of Loctite on these things, I guess to keep them from coming off. Both bolts, lots of Loctite. So it's getting a little loose here now. There's one more bolt up here to loosen off. So we should be able to get in here with our T-handle. And we'll pull that off, and the cover should come loose. Well, that one didn't have any Loctite on it. Interesting. There we go. We'll give this a little cleanup, a little bit of dirt in there. Wipe this down, and we'll put the new piece on. There we go. I just wiped everything down. The frame area, every area that was covered up, I just kind of wiped it down a little bit, give it a little bit of a cleanup. So now we're going to go and put that foam on here. There we go. Get the foam on there. Now we can start to apply this. Gonna need two hands for this, but basically what we're gonna do is just slip it on over top here, bring it down here, and then just pull it down over like that. There we go. Looking good. Now we'll get that cover back on. Slip it in like that and get our bolts back down and get this mounted up. It's looking great already. There it is. So now we got the EvoTech oil cooler guard and the rectifier guard. Also by EvoTech, get the front wheel spool, frame slider spools, and the rear axle spools. Looking good. So there we go. Both Ducatis are all dressed up with EvoTech goodies. These oil cooler guards, rectifier guards, frame sliders, and the spools on both bikes. Thanks for watching Ottawa Valley Vintage Motorcycles. Please like and subscribe.